Look, nobody's gonna admit this out loud, but we all feel it. This deep frustration, this gnawing feeling that no matter what tribe we belong to, no matter the labels or banners we carry, it's never enough. You're riding a storm of identity crises and cultural conflicts every day because the world tries to shove us back into boxes made hundreds of years ago. And those boxes, they crack under the pressure of today's realities. Founders, investors, leaders, you all see it. The old ways aren't cutting it. Nationalism, tribalism, identity politics, they don't build bridges, they dig trenches. And in those trenches, we wither. Separate, frustrated, angry as hell. What's even worse is how that anger becomes a trap. Bleeding energy that should fuel creation, innovation, actual progress. Instead, it steals focus and leaves communities fractured and mistrustful. You've been told to lean into your tribe, to dig deeper into your national story or your cultural past as if that alone could give answers. But that's a lie that holds you hostage. The real problem, identity set in stone, fixed and rigid, crushing the diversity inside us all. It forces a false choice, who's in and who's out. It kills potential partnerships just when the world demands collaboration more than ever. What if instead of owning a tribal identity, you owned your post-tribal identity? What if your identity wasn't something handed down, something pre-approved, but something you designed, something fluid, evolving, and tied to actions, values, and impact, not to geography or ancestry? Here's the direct, unfiltered truth. To build real connections across differences, you've got to forget where you come from as a permanent label. Forget the comfort of a tribe that promises belonging but demands conformity. Start owning your individual power to choose allies based on who matches your energy, your values, your vision, not your passport or skin color or last name. That's post-tribal identity. It breaks those old boxes by letting you be part of multiple communities that matter because they resonate with what you want to build together, not what past history said you must defend. But don't kid yourself. This shift is brutal. You'll face pushback. You'll get slammed by critics who haven't dared to free themselves or who use tribalism as a weapon. You might feel lost, untethered at first. That's good. It means you're breaking free from chains. You have to be willing to dive into discomfort, to own complexity, and to embrace disagreement inside those new communities, not avoid it. Because real unity isn't sameness. It's connection through honest friction where growth happens. Stop searching for easy answers on how to fix diversity or unity. There's no quick patch. The real work, the only way, comes from brutally honest self-overcoming. Demand from yourself clarity about who you are beyond all inherited labels. Hold yourself accountable to results you create, not to identities you cling to. Build direct bridges with people whose skills, ideas, and courage complement yours, even if they look or think differently. Activate networks that work across borders, cultures, and mindsets, where merit and shared mission matter far more than anything tribal. Here's what you do right now. Look at your closest community, your team, your partners. Do they reflect your post-tribal identity? If not, start tearing down the walls. Stop settling for easy comfort in sameness. Reach out to someone wildly different, but who challenges you to be better. Create spaces where you can be raw, disagree, and still move forward together. Build trust on shared goals, not shared stories. You want your community to be a force that moves the world. Start thinking of identity as a tool, not a fortress. Be the person who doesn't just tolerate diversity, but pulls different perspectives into a tight, productive synergy. Stop hiding behind history, tradition, or fear of losing your people. The future, your future, depends on uniting not just what's comfortable, but what's necessary. Post-tribal identity is the only way to build that. Own it. Live it. Don't wait. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.